Hello, and welcome to the design expansion of Port Macapa. This project was worked on by the following students: Connor Bull, Nathaniel Jennings, Brittany Lapadula, and Dante Volpe. The main source of information that supported this project is a final paper analysis of the design and construction of the Port Macapa. This project is for CVE 4000 Engineering, Economy, and Planning. Our professor is Dr. R. Mesa Arango, the date of April 16th of 2019, for the Florida Institute of Technology at the main campus in Melbourne, Florida. To outline our project, the team will talk about the following sections: project background, key cost and benefits, key issues, key design and implementation decisions, current status, discussion, and criticism. Port Macapa is located in the city of Macapa in Brazil. The objective of this project is to expand the port to allow larger vessels to access. The expansion of this project includes a wharf that runs along the northeast edge of the city along the Amazon River. At the north end of the wharf, a collection of caissons is constructed. The final step to allow for this design to be beneficial to other vessels, the Amazon River, needs to be dredged to allow for easy access.
The current proposed design is to extend the pier out to 700 meters in length and increase its width to 200 meters. This would be more beneficial because cargo can be transferred along its length and it will allow for berthing along both sides of the pier. The estimated cost for this design is $717 million. This includes the cost of moormasters, the wharfs, the caissons, and the cost of dredging. Ports of similar sizes can bring in $500 million to $1 billion annually after the cost of operations. This will provide more jobs and revenue for the local economy.
Many of the issues faced for the project involve the overall design based on the infrastructure of the state and the environmental conditions being worked with. The biggest worry was the ability of the state of Amapa to afford the project, as well as the concern for the city's ability to handle the implementation of a new source of income and technology. There were also concerns on getting predicted sizes of incoming vessels and waterway traffic all the way into where the port is located for the transport of cargo. There was also a large focus on the considerations of the ballast water treatment and disposal, ensuring that the environment take as little damage as possible in the transition and implementation of the new port. Most of the major decisions made were brought about in order to alleviate the discovered issues for the project. To ensure that the vessels predicted to be arriving at the port could make it, it was decided that a channel be dredged to ensure an easy travel. Since the dredging equipment would already be in use for the construction of the wharf, the cost to continue the process would be low. The largest decision made for this project was location. The city of Macapa was decided upon because it's a major hub on the Amazon River and has the potential size and financial capabilities to allow for a port to be built. The hope was that there would be a reduction in cost of the shipping, the natural resources mined from the Amazon and surrounding area due to the new port, and the local economy would grow due to the drastic changes in worldwide business and technology being brought to the area. The last decision made was to help mitigate the environmental effects. It was decided that the port should implement new policies and enforcement to ensure that proper precautions are taken to prevent water pollution and other sources of pollution that are created due to the new port being built and implemented into the worldwide trade business.
The current status of this project is that it is in the final stages of research. We are actively viewing different designs and running cost-benefit analysis to decide which would be the most beneficial to implement. The report has been started and we expect to make final decisions in the upcoming week. This will allow us to complete the final report well within the allotted time.
In conclusion, this project will increase the connection of Macapa to the rest of the world trading network, opening countless opportunities for profit and market expansion. The wharf design will allow for a Suzy-Max vessel to berth, unload, and store its cargo. The caisson, breakwater, and wharf will give small vessels a place to be sheltered from the waves and prevent large vessels from moving too much while moored. The dredge navigation channel will allow for safe passage of the vessels to the port. The estimated cost for this project is within the expected range of a developing small port.